best way to apply configs to achieve the best result in-game? 1. Open Codm Mobile. I will now show you how to use configs most efficiently and why this is the best method. 2. Press the home button without exiting the game. Following steps are same as usual. Watch the linked video again or watch here till the end for the other method. 3. Open ZArchiver and go to the Codm data path. The W6JBF0B is one of the most important files for aim assist configs, but it's hard to replace it. Why? Watch here. If we replace it. For the video I am using this file here, you can use every other W6JBF0B2. Now the W6JBF0B file is replaced. What happens when we quit the game finally now? File size 144 kilobytes. This will stay until you open the game again. Open Codm again. Wait until it's loaded. Now quit game and see what happens. Update ZArchiver by going to another folder. The original file is there again, no mod inclusive anymore. To solve the problem, open the game first. Four. Wait until you are there. 5. Leave with home button. 6. Choose the config you like. I am saving them here. 7. Choose all files, copy them. And go back to your original game folder. Watch the link here if you don't know what I mean. Eight. Go back to game without closing it. You should do this every time before playing. And now, enjoy the files.